Hey guys, it's Al at Restoration Industries here in Wheat Ridge. We're going to do a quick walk around the 65 Mustang convertible that we're going to call the Rustang for now. Heavily rusted. And we're going to go ahead and do a little preview video so we can see what we started with. Typical quarter rust. Getting to the meat of it. See, the floors are gone. Both sides. Even the seat bracket is gone. This one's pretty bad. Pretty significant holes. Both sides. The convertible specific rockers are almost completely gone. Nice thing about this car, however, is that the torque boxes and the frame rails are actually in pretty good shape. The owner went ahead and put in the bracing for the doors. Front sheet metal, despite being crusty, is actually in pretty good shape as well. It is an A-code car. It's highly optioned. We're going to go ahead and tie the subframes, add some more bracing, install these rocker panels to maintain the structural integrity of the car before we have it stripped. We'll go ahead and have the quarter panels cut off and all the rusty stuff cut out of here, and then we'll take it and have it blasted. But we want to maintain the structural integrity of the car before we do that. This car has power top, power windows, air conditioning, power steering, power seat, I believe, automatic, 4-barrel. Fairly well optioned car. Some shots of the trunk here. Holes there. We'll go ahead and one more final shot. And we'll post progress videos, pictures of this thing getting repaired.